we will be referring to the division table na nakikita nyo ngayon. Alright? And the formula are the following. D1 plus C1 minus C minus C1, C2 minus C1 times D2 minus D1. So, saan ba natin kukunin yung value? Nasa table. Okay? So, yung value na nagitna po nung magnetic course natin, kukuha tayo dito sa table na nasa division table. So, ilalagay natin yung 157.5 degrees tapos 168.6 degrees and 180 degrees. Tapos yung value niya as per table is 5 degrees east. Tapos dito is 4 degrees east. So we'll put the label. So ito yung C1. Ito yung C. Ito yung C2. Ito naman po yung D1. Ito yung D2. So yung D na nasa gitna, yan yung hanapin natin. So ang gagamitin natin is yung interpolation formula na nasa taas. So i-encode ko lang to siya sa scientific calculator. Okay? So i-encode mo to lahat. So we'll put the label. This is 5 plus, okay, C is 168.6 degrees over minus, 157.5 and 180 degrees. Then po C2. Tapos 157.5 times D2 for minus 5. Okay? So yung sagot, pag in-encode mo yan lahat sa calculator, scientific calculator is 5. Alin? Ano ang sagot? Dapat yung sagot in between 5 and 4. Okay? Can you please encode and scientific calculator? Mali ka, Gera. Mali ko. Okay, so yung sagot is 4.5 degrees.
West.
Ano?
West, sir. West.
West. Gaga, east. Wala siya. Mali ka. 4.5 degrees east. Okay? Okay, so